I remember walking into my local area rape crisis center and the waiting room was filled. And I thought to myself, well, if I have resources, I'm still struggling with this labyrinth that is the criminal justice system. What is going on with people who don't have my privilege and resources? And it's that at that moment I realized that my story was not mine alone. I started RISE from a very personal place. So RISE fights for the civil rights of sexual violence survivors across America and the world. And that's because I am a rape survivor. When I was raped at Harvard, I remember after having a rape kit procedure, I tried to find out what my rights were. It was so difficult, but one thing that I did find out was that my rape kit could be destroyed at 6 months by the government, untested, even if the statute of limitations is 15 years. And the double standard is that convicted rapists have the right to hold on to the evidence for the duration of the conviction, and no other crime has evidence routinely destroyed. For instance, murder, that's how cold cases are solved. And I realized that I had a choice. I could accept the injustice or rewrite the law, and so I rewrote it. When President Obama signed the Sexual Assault Survivor Bill of Rights into law, my law, I heard from over 1 million people. People wrote in from different countries, from different states in America, saying that they wanted to learn how to pen their own civil rights into existence too, and that they also needed these civil rights in their own communities. And it also kicked off a series of state laws that have helped fill in the gaps of inequality so that justice doesn't depend on geography. What I mean by that is that although there's a federal law, we still need to pass these rights state by state because most rape cases are adjudicated in state courts. And so to that end, it's our goal to pass the Sexual Assault Survivor Bill of Rights in all 50 states. And to date, we have passed a total of 19 laws in 18 months. That means an average of a law a month, and all unanimously. I want people to know that you can be an activist and you can fight for things while also having other dreams as well. I did work at NASA, I worked at the White House, I worked at the State Department, and I did all of these things while also fighting for my own civil rights. So it is my hope that we can prove to anyone out there that you can absolutely change the world and also do whatever it is that makes you happy. And it can be both.